Ready to go na kami, guys. Naka-make up ako. Pero wala akong pilik mata. Hindi ako naglagay. Ready to rumble. Punta kami ng Norway, guys. Punta kami kay Tita Piping. Tita, see you soon. See you soon, Tita. Excited na much. Two, three, four. Bigat ng bag ko. Gold ang laman. Bye guys. Have a good day.